Hey there, tech-loving parents and mini audiophiles. Welcome back to the channel that's all about gadgets that rock, literally. I'm Rishi, and today, we're diving deep into the realm of futuristic sound. Bringing you the ultimate showdown of the coolest kids' headphones in 2023. So, if you're a parent on a mission to find the perfect ear candy for your little rock stars, stick around. This one's for you. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so you won't miss out on the freshest tech updates. Product number 1: Newt Products K11 Foldable Stereo Headset. Alright, folks, let's get this party started with the Newt Products K11 Foldable Stereo Headset. If comfort had a middle name, it'd be K11. These bad boys come in a navy teal fusion that's cooler than an iceberg with sunglasses. But it's not all about the looks. These on-ear champion sport padded soft cushions. That'll make your kid feel like they're resting on fluffy clouds. And speaking of fit, the adjustable headband ensures they're partying in pure comfort, no matter the head size. And when the curtain closes, these headphones fold up like a rock star's leather jacket, compact and effortlessly cool. Just a heads up, there's no microphone or volume control, but that's no biggie. Your voice will still be heard through the device's mic, loud and clear. And parents, guess what? A 24-month hassle-free warranty means peace of mind for days. Product number 2: Powme EP10 Kids Headphones with Microphone. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to introduce you to the Powme EP10 Kids Headphones with Microphone. And trust us, it's a whole new level of sonic awesomeness. These headphones aren't just about sound. They're about a total audio experience that'll make your kids feel like they're at the center of their very own concert. And let's not forget the adjustable volume control. It's like having a DJ right at your fingertips. And speaking of convenience, the foldable design means these headphones are ready for any adventure. From playdates to plane rides. Oh, and did we mention the built-in microphone? Your kids will be chatting and learning like pros in no time. Say hello to 24 months of hassle-free protection and customer service that's quicker than a guitar solo. Product number 3: RORSU R10 Lightweight Folding Stereo Bass Headphones. Ready to dive into the world of pure bass and sonic bliss? Say hello to the RORSU R10 Lightweight Folding Stereo Bass Headphones in classic black. These headphones don't just play music, they create a full-on symphony that'll make your kids' ears sing with joy. The plush ear cushions and padded headband guarantee that they'll be rocking out in comfort, whether they're on a long journey or just jamming at home. And with a foldable design that's as slick as a rock star's stage move, these headphones are ready to hit the road anytime. And don't you worry, the inline control with a microphone means that your kids can take calls and control their tunes with ease. Oh, and did we mention the 180-day hassle-free protection? RORSU's got your back, just like the bassline in their headphones. Product number 4: Electro i37 Kids Headphones. Now, it's time to unleash the vibrant energy of the Electro i37 Kids Headphones. They're like a burst of neon colors for your ears. These headphones might not have a microphone or volume control, but trust us, they're like a symphony of color and sound that'll leave your kids dancing with joy. The adjustable band means a perfect fit for anyone, from little ones to those young at heart. And with a design that folds up faster than a magician's act, these headphones are your ultimate travel companions. With 1-year hassle-free protection and customer service that's as reliable as your favorite beat drop, Electro's got your back, one note at a time. Product number 5: Kids Headphones-noot Products K22 Foldable Stereo Headset. And last but absolutely not least, we've got the Kids Headphones by Newt Products, the K22 Foldable Stereo Headset in the eye-catching flamingo pink gray. These headphones are like a burst of pink confetti for your ears. They're designed to be a fashion statement as much as a sound revolution. From the padded cushions to the adjustable headband, these headphones are engineered for a cozy and customized fit. And when the show's over, they fold up like a piece of origami art, ready to be stashed away until the next encore. Remember, there's no microphone or volume control, but you'll still be heard loud and clear through the device's mic. And with compatibility that's as wide as a rock star's fanbase, these headphones are a plug-and-play dream. And hey, don't forget that Lightning to 3.5mm jack adapter for the newest Apple devices. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've just witnessed the ultimate face-off of the most electrifying kids' headphones in 2023. From comfort to style and sound that'll make your kids' ears sing, these headphones are more than just gadgets. They're the key to unlocking a world of sonic wonder. So, which headphones will be your little rock star's next obsession? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and share the love with fellow tech-savvy parents. This is Electro Tech Insider, signing off for now. Rock on and stay tuned for more tech-tastic adventures.